Welcome to our channel Manya Learning Point, and today we have brought a very exciting topic which is nothing but science experiment. Experiment is glass and candle experiment. Manya, can you please tell me what you're going to do today?
Today we are going to do one experiment that is tighten as Dad said, and we are going to put the candle and fire it, and we put glass over it, then it comes off the candle, gets off.
Oh, that's very exciting. Do you know why the fire goes off when you put over the glass?
Because we need an portal for it because there's no air.
Yeah, you are right. What do you think about the air?
I think, it is important.
It's a very important aspect of our life. Why it is needed, you know? Air, in the air, atmosphere air, we have 21% of oxygen,
Yes.
and which is very, very important of the living bodies, okay?
Yes. I don't
For living, we cannot, whenever we breathe in, right? We are taking.
Oxygen.
Yes, we are taking in, we are breathing in. What we are breathing in? We are breathing oxygen. Okay, that's really very exciting, right? Okay, even fire cannot sustain without oxygen. This is what we are going to learn in today's experiment.
And if we don't have air, otherwise we'll die.
Of course, the similar way, this experiment also, if there is no air inside the glass, fire will get die. Right?
Yeah.
Fire goes off means
Just die.
die. Right?
Like dead. Like
Yes. And today in this experiment, we are going to learn a lot of things. We are going to learn what is wax, what is candle, and how it is made from. Okay? And a lot of other stuff we are going to learn here. Please be with us, okay?
okay.
Let's start the experiment now. Welcome once again. We are going to start the experiment now. Before that, I'm going to tell you, okay, what is needed in this experiment for kids. Kids, we need few stuff here so that we can do the experiment. What, Manya? What do you say?
We have to do the experiment. Because
Okay, what do you need in this experiment?
I think matchsticks and candles and glass.
Good. Okay, we have a glass here. We need a transparent glass so that we can see how the candles goes off. Okay, and then after we need two candles, small candles, so that I can show you how much it's take time to consume oxygen under the glass. Okay, and we need a matchstick box so that we can lit the candle. Now Manya wants you to know what is this candle. Candle, you guys, the good fact about the candle is it's a wax, and they have put one thread inside this candle. There is a design for it, and they made it from the wax. Okay. Now Manya is asking, Dida, how the candle is going to stand? It is not standing. Look at this. It's not standing. How can it stand? This is a candle. This is a wax, right, Manya?
Yes.
Then what you can do, I will show you one very good experiment to you. Okay? Okay. I'm going to lit one of the candle I have with me. I'm going to fire this candle, okay? Look here, I'm going to fire the candle.
Again, because it fell down.
Okay? We are going to fire this candle. We have fired it. Now we are going to stand this candle, okay? for a reference purpose. Now you see, candle is standing, Manya. Okay, the similar way, what we are going to do, these are the two small candles, okay. First I am going to fire this candle, okay. Manya, don't play with fire, okay. Always do these experiments under your parents, okay. Without parents, don't do this experiment, okay. I'm here, that's why Manya is also doing. If Manya is not, I'm not here, Manya is not going to do this experiment, okay. Please.
And also we kids can do it, and that.
No, nobody can play with fire. That's very dangerous.
Yes.
Okay, look here. Now I'm going to lit this small candle, and it is standing now. You can see here. Look here. These two. Oh, sorry. Okay, candle is already on the fire. Now, Manya, what you're going to do? You're going to put this glass on top of this fire and see the impact. How the oxygen. What is going to happen?
I think it's going to get off the fire.
Good. It's going to goes off the fire. Why? Because this much big glass will be having a oxygen. The oxygen will get consumed by this candle, by this fire, and then after candle goes off. Okay. Now Manya, you take this, hold this like this, Manya.
Okay.
Hold it. Yes. Put on top of this. Good, guys. Just see. Keep it, leave it. Let's see. Candle is still on the fire. Slowly, it's getting dim. Now, the full oxygen is consumed by the fire. You can see the candle goes off. That means under this glass we don't have oxygen. That means we don't have air. Right?
Yeah.
This is what the experiment all about. Now I'm going to tell you. Now you can see this glass. Under this glass there is no oxygen. Now I'm going to fire one more candle, and we'll see how much it takes time. It takes time to goes off the candle, okay? Yes, guys, you can see another candle is on the fire. Now, why did I fire this one? Why? Because I wanted to show you in this case, because there is no here in this glass there is no oxygen. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to keep this glass on top of this candle. It takes very less time, few seconds to consume the oxygen. It takes very less time compared to this candle. It takes less time. Okay. Now I'll keep. It will be very. See. It went off, right? It took less time than this one. Why? Because there was no oxygen when the glass was here. There was no oxygen here. When I put it here, in that time, oxygen came inside. That's why candle was burning for that much time. You got it?
Yes.
Okay? In this, now you understood, Manya, right?
Yeah. Subscribe our channel Manya Learning Point if you want to learn a lot of things or be the master of the experiments or the mathematics. We'll teach you everything that we know, and excellently subscribe our channel, okay guys? This is important thing if you want to off it. Okay, bye bye.